Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the modem and SIM because a good physical setup prevents errors. Insert the active data SIM in the correct slot. You should hear a soft click and see the SIM sitting flush. Once done, plug the modem into USB or attach battery and charge until the power LED shows ready. Make sure device firmware is not obviously outdated. If it is, note the model so you can update later. These steps get you to the first connection state quickly. You now install drivers or the High-Link Management app because software gives you control. On a PC, run the Huawei installer and allow device driver installation. On mobile, grant permissions for the app. Once the portal loads at 192.168.8.1 or in High-Link, log in with the default credentials and navigate to network settings. Enter the carrier APN precisely. This tells the modem how to reach the internet. After saving, press connect and watch for data indicators. This is the core of establishing service. You finish by verifying connectivity and preparing to troubleshoot in case of problems. Test a web page or ping a reliable host. Confirm the device has a public or private IP and that signal bars are present. If it fails, reboot the modem and phone or PC, re-enter APN exactly, switch USB ports or cables, and try another SIM if available. Make sure to back up custom settings before a factory reset. If issues persist, contact your carrier with the modem model and log details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.